everyone, welcome to our trip to Asheville, North Carolina, one of the most beautiful destinations in the United States.
Today we'll take you on a journey through some of the city's most iconic sights and sounds, from the breathtaking views of the Ridge Parkway to the majestic Biltmore Estate and Museum. Our first stop is High Falls, located in the picturesque DuPont State Forest. The falls cascade down a 120-foot rock face, creating a stunning natural spectacle. It's truly a sight to behold. As we hiked along the trail, we couldn't help but be in awe by the sheer beauty of the waterfall and the surrounding forest.
Just a short hike away, we came across the Triple Falls. It's a series of 3 interconnected waterfalls that tumble down a rocky slope. The view from the top of the falls was just simply breathtaking, and we simply couldn't resist the urge to dip our feet in the cool, refreshing waters. And quick fact, one of the scenes in the Hunger Games was filmed at this exact location.
After exploring the waterfalls, we made our way to downtown Asheville. The streets were lined with unique shops, cafes, and restaurants, and the atmosphere was electric. We strolled through the city, soaking up the local culture and admiring the street art and architecture.
One of the highlights of our trip was dining at Curate Spanish restaurant. It's a world-renowned eatery that offers a unique and authentic dining experience. The restaurant features traditional Spanish tapas and wine, as well as a cozy, intimate atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. We enjoyed a delicious meal and just somehow great conversation, and we left feeling truly satisfied.
Our next stop was the Biltmore Estate, an architectural marvel and a true testament to the city's rich history. The sprawling estate covers over 8,000 acres that tell the story of the Vanderbilt family who once called it home. The mansion itself is a work of art with intricate carvings, stunning chandeliers, and sprawling rooms that showcase the height of luxury and elegance. This historic property is the largest privately owned home in the United States and is a true masterpiece of architecture and design.
We ended our trip on the Blue Ridge Parkway, which is a 469-mile scenic drive that stretches through Virginia and North Carolina. It offers these spectacular views of the Appalachian Mountains and is considered as one of the most beautiful drives in America. The Blue Ridge Parkway is dotted with overlooks, picnic areas, and hiking trails, offering visitors ample opportunities to explore and experience the natural beauty of the region. We've stopped at several overlooks along the way, and the view of the mountains, valleys, and forests were just truly awe-inspiring.
And that's a wrap on our trip through Asheville. From majestic waterfalls to the vibrant downtown to the authentic cultural cuisines and the grandeur of the Biltmore Estate, we hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the many wonders of this incredible city.